Hello everyone, my name is Professor Abhishek Dominic and today we will learn about multimedia. So what is multimedia? Multimedia is a combination of different things or elements. Elements like text, audio, video, graphics and animation. All these play an important role while creating a content. The content that we create which is used to convey a message or communicate a thing. So what is a text? Text is basically one of the elements of multimedia which helps us to create an alphabetic, numeric and a content. Audio. Audio comes in many forms like speech, voiceovers and also musical scores. Video. Videos are nothing but a visual representation of a content. Content like TV shows, music and social media reels. Graphics. In multimedia, graphics refers to visual elements like images, diagrams, and non-text representation that are used digitally. Animations. There are two types of animation, 2D animation and 3D animation. 2D animation refers to two-dimensional animations, which are mostly used in cartoons. 3D animations refers to three-dimensional animations. These are mostly used in various industries, especially in animation, movies, and gaming industries. Now, let's move on to some applications where multimedia is used. First, streaming services. Streaming services refers to the OTT platform, that is, over-the-top platforms. Some of the over-the-top platforms examples are Netflix, Amazon Prime, OZ, and many more. There are different types of softwares which helps multimedia to create a content. For images and for photographs, we use Adobe Photoshop. For video representation, we use Adobe Premiere. There are also things which are used in multimedia. Like in gaming industries, multimedia technique is used. These are mostly related to 3D and 2D animations. Multimedia is also used in healthcare fields as well as health and fitness apps. Basically, through multimedia we can create various types of things like applications and other softwares. So that's all for today. Thank you.